who are the beginners who really want to elevate their level of speaking.
Yeah,
As well as the most important thing, how to work on their confidence level, because what
yes,
matters a lot, that is confidence. It doesn't
yes.
matter. There are so many learners, they have been working on the communication skill more than 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Still, they have enough knowledge. But when it comes to use this knowledge, then they hesitate.
Yeah, English medium school, then English also should be have, and degree also, because after showing degree, then we can get this job, and we
Yeah,
can say
you can
about
just take
yeah,
you can take my example. Like I can speak English, there's no doubt I can speak confidently. But just because of I don't hold any degree, so that's
but
why I'm just staying at home.
you can do your study continue. Actually, now you are not so much aged. You can do in this age as well. Good noon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hello, dear. First of
Yeah.
all, I would say welcome to the session and thanks for reaching out to me and for your message. And just tell me, how are you doing?
Yeah, I was very delighted to meet you. Now I'm catching. Yeah, it's my privilege to talk with you. And yeah, we can say my day is very productive, and I did so many things as well. I have watched your video as well. And
Oh my,
yeah, and I know you since you spoke in a Josh talk. So then
yeah,
I
yeah.
know you.
I have already become a Josh Talk speaker.
Yeah, yeah. Now you are public speaker. You are known by the Josh Talk, huh? We can say after speaking in a Josh Talk, then you are viral as a Dehati ma'am, pop of the town, huh?
Because I think this is my identity. I belong to a village, Dehat, so that's why I put this name of my channel, English with Dehati
Yeah,
Madam. So
yeah,
this name has become my identity.
yeah. We can say you saw that person who belongs to village, and they always answer out their self. They don't want to show. Yeah, actually, it's not a or cup of tea. We can't speak in front of media, but now you taught them. Yeah, you also can be a public speaker like me. And
Yes,
I
yes.
have seen your video. You also sacrificed so many things in your life. Yeah.
And because it's our life, it's totally unpredictable, but we have to just try to grapple with it because we don't have any other option. Instead of making excuses, instead of just staying in the corner of your house, we should try to do something better in your life. So,
Yeah.
but I would say just by saying these things, you just made my day.
Yeah. And you can say about yourself, I didn't get this opportunity in a dog. Hmm?
Yeah.
हेरात में नहीं मिली है इट मीन्स मुझे ये अपॉर्चुनिटी आई हैव डन सो मच एफर्ट ऑफ दिस नाउ आई एम नॉन एज द
You are also a learner, one of the most important thing that we should always have in our mind that you are also a language learner and I'm also a language learner. So there's no difference between each other.
yeah,
We both of us we are on the same boat. So we should take each and every person seriously. We shouldn't take
yeah,
anyone for granted. It
yeah,
doesn't matter if you are just a beginner. So I just start rating myself. Oh, I have this much subscriber. I'm a famous one. I'm a Joe Stock speaker. Why should I talk to you? But
but yeah,
this thing
yeah,
shouldn't be there. We shouldn't be arrogant. We shouldn't show a ego behavior. We
yes,
should just be calm and we should have harmony with each and other anyone.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yeah,
So
yeah,
I think before diving deep into this conversation, I would love to know something more about you. So if
yes.
you don't mind, please introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Introduce myself. My name is Seema. I'm a homemaker mother as well. I dwell in Kanpur, UP. I have done PG. I was teacher. I left this journey. Now I teach some student at home spoken English, and
Okay.
simultaneously I run my YouTube channel. And recently I created my YouTube channel. And yeah, if you want to know about my hobby, I like dance, I like sing song, I want to connect with the person for enhancing this level. And yeah, that's all about myself. Yes.
Wow, what a wonderful introduction. It
Thank
means you are wearing too many hats at the same time.
you. Yeah, you can say. Yes. Actually, for my viewers, I want to know first of all, welcome to my channel. And I want to know from your side something.
Yes, yes,
Actually, you
definitely,
are
definitely,
talk of the town, everybody knows you. I know. But yeah,
definitely. It
yes.
will be my pleasure introducing myself for your viewers, especially for your channel. So, first of all, I would say thanks for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. Since you already know, my name is Yashoda, and currently I'm connecting to you from Kaushambi district, Uttar Pradesh. Talking about my education, so I have just done my schooling from Punjab Board in 2012, and now it's been 2 years. I'm a part-time YouTuber, full-time homemaker, and as a English language learner, just like you. And talking about my hobbies, so I love listening to spiritual content or reading spiritual or self-help books.
Mhm.
And yeah, there are not so many things to talk about. I love having, on the top of that, I love interacting with so many people, but just because of nowadays, I have been suffering from my ear issue, so I don't. But
Okay.
yeah, I do. On and off, I
Mhm.
do.
Now
I'm,
you are
I can't
facing.
say
Yeah,
I'm
now you
so
are facing because when you went there in Mumbai for getting reward, then you were saying, "Ki I'm facing this problem, ear problem." Now you are facing.
still I'm facing, and I'm on medication each and every day. I have to take lots of
Yeah,
medicines.
yeah, I have seen your meditation, exercise. Yeah, you are doing so many things in your life. How do you manage? Because it's very hectic for me. I can't manage my time like that.
Because it's life. If God wants if God gives us lemon, then we should try to make lemonade instead of cursing God, instead of cursing ourselves, instead of cursing our fortune. So it happens, and I think on this earth each and every person is suffering from something or the other thing.
Nobody
It
is a
doesn't matter
perfect.
if I live in a village, so only I am the one who is suffering from all this situation. There are so many people, even there are so many ladies, they are from well-known family, and still they are suffering lots of problems. Even people who are so much, who are literate people,
Mhm.
they don't want their homemakers to go ahead to take a step further for themselves,
Definitely.
to
Yes.
upgrade themselves, to upgrade their skills.
Yes, yes, yeah. Because after getting married, it's very hectic because we have to follow our family members and we have to indulge. And after become mother, then it's very hectic because we want our child, then we it's our responsibility for giving them.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so it's
Absolutely.
very hectic, but you are managing everything. And now you are doing so many things. So people can't say ki you didn't do anything and you got this opportunity in a door. No, that is a no. I have seen your all videos and you explained the win about yourself in a Josh talk, whatever you faced in your life in a childhood. Because in a childhood, we need something unique, we need something freedom, but you didn't get this opportunity.
Yeah, and I was just 13 or 14 or 15 years old when my uncle
Yeah, yeah.
he passed away. So I had to work as a sales girl. I
Mm-hmm.
worked there for 4 years. So it was really very hectic day for me. I had actually acknowledging this thing that the person whom you loved a lot, now he is not there around yourself. You have to
Mm-hmm.
tackle each and every problem only just by yourself. So it was not bearable. It was not bearable, endurable. However, I have to do because I didn't have any other option.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
then I took a decision and I eloped with my husband because something bad happened with me. Because when God wants giving us problem, na, when God gives us problem, then He starts giving one by one, one by one.
Yeah, yeah.
So I couldn't stand everything just by living there. So I made that decision and I started living with my husband. And even when I came here, I started living with my husband. Then life was not so easy for me when the corona happened. Then my husband met with an accident. Then he was totally bedridden for 6 or 7 months. So it was really very difficult uh, time
Mhm.
for me. But the moment I got my first phone, my life has changed. I started finding some ways to come out this problem, and then I found YouTube is really very
Yeah.
helpful.
Okay.
And more than that, what helped me a lot that is English language because before that worked on 3 or 4 channels, but all these channels didn't work as
Okay.
I wanted. But maybe just because of God wanted me to start this channel with this name, so it happened. This
Okay.
channel blocked.
Okay, so we can say now you are a talk of the town, and we can say who uh, we can say came across ki yeah, you have to do this work in a YouTube channel. And did you do this? Because initially it's not a easy task.
Because when I got to know about YouTube,
Okay.
I was just scrolling through on YouTube, and then one video popped up in front of me, and
Okay.
that video was of Sandeep Maheshwari sir, and I
Mhm.
watched his
Yeah.
video, and he told in his video, in that particular video, that nowadays ladies can earn money just by working on YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then first I learned about YouTube, how to start a channel, how to make thumbnails, how to edit videos. I learned everything, how what
Mhm.
is title, tag, description. Even when I started my journey, then I was not aware about even how to make our email ID.
Email
I
ID.
learned each and everything just from YouTube.
Yeah, you learned so many things. So now I'm learning. I don't know how to make thumbnail and this type of how to put. Nowadays, I am making my daughter do this type of work.
Oh, so by the way, how many years old your daughter is?
Yeah, 11 years old. Yeah.
11 years old.
Yeah, she knows everything and she speaks better than me because she
And
has environment in a school. She has to
I think
speak
that
her mind.
nowadays children, they are really very smart.
Yeah, nowadays, yeah, we can say they are speaking. And now she said to Mama, you actually 1 year ago, I decided for joining her school. But I was not perfect in this language and Hindi is not allowed there. Then I thought, oh my God, I didn't say a word. Why did I come here? Then after coming house, then I thought I had to learn English. It's not a piece of cake, but yeah, I will do. Then I
You know,
joined. Hmm,
yeah,
yeah.
you just carry on.
Yeah, then I met Gyanendra actually in Instagram. Then he called me. You know very well. Actually, we are meeting because of him. So he helped me. He called me, ma'am. I want to make your video. Then I was in. I didn't know about this YouTube channel. Then I said, "Ki, how do you record my video and what should I speak in this video? I don't know. I know English because I had done PG. I know how to write, but speaking part is very different. We can say we
Yes,
have to
yes.
make our sentence. I does English and spoken English both are poor apart. Then I thought, oh my God, please give me. Then he joined me Skype. In Skype, then I started my journey with the person speaking, and somebody uploaded my videos. These were not good because it was initial time.
So
So
how long it's been since you have started your YouTube channel?
yeah, with the consistent, I have been uploading videos for 5 months. But I
So
told
five
you 1 year ago, I joined Skype. Then somebody uploaded my video. It was full of clumsy video. I didn't
months.
aware about this speaking part. Then I was laughing. I was sticking, fumbling. So I was
But I
doing.
think Skype is not working
Yeah,
anymore.
now we have team instead of Skype.
Microsoft Team is available there.
Yeah, yeah. So we are
But
connecting.
I don't use Microsoft because I think on Microsoft we can't
Record.
record videos.
Yeah, yeah. There is no recording options in Microsoft, but we have GeoMeet, we have Zoom. We can say we
Yeah, we
have
have
a
we
laptop, then we
have
can connect by Zoom and GeoMeet as well. But if somebody doesn't have this laptop, then they can connect by the phone by GeoMeet.
and even I also purchased a laptop some months ago. I have the opportunity, but just because of my ear issue, I can't do a
But
lot.
I
But
have seen your video.
however,
You
I
got.
would say today I had 3 sessions.
Yeah, you got. I have seen your video. You were worshiping. You were
Yeah,
offering.
because Indians are meant to be do these stuff. Whenever we purchase anything, even if it's a mixer grinder, so first of all we just worship it and then we start.
Yeah, yeah, we can say we are. This is a symbol of Indian. Huh?
Yeah,
Uh,
Indians have that mentality that we worship each and everything in this way, but we don't worship our parents as a god.
mhm. Yeah, it's a very hectic for Indians. We should
This is
learn
the, this
something
is the
or
real face of Indians. I don't say In each and every house it happens, but it happens. This is
Yes.
the truth of the society. That's why in the cities, lots of old age homes are available. So many NGOs are being run. So it happens. So we have, instead of being so much superstitious person, we should be aware about what is really important for us. Instead of visiting a pilgrimage, if we give a fixed time to our parents, if we give them everything, then it's kind of getting blessings from your
Mhm.
loved ones, as well as it's kind of getting a bond and connection between our parents and our ancestors. I
Yeah. You're right.
really,
We
very
can see we are living here because
beautiful.
of parents, and it's our duty for respect them. If we don't respect our children, also will not respect us. Hmm?
So, as you mentioned, your about your daughter. So, does your daughter she also speak?
Yeah, she speaks better than me. She has
Oh,
involvement in school, actually. That is the reason. She said, "Ki, Mom, I used to speak with her after coming from her school." Then she
like,
said,
and then I would say you are the blessed one. You are the fortunate one who has a partner 24 by 7. You can talk
"Yeah,
to her anytime.
now she is notorious. She nowadays she said, Mama, you have partner, then you can speak with your partner. Now we have social media, we have WhatsApp group, then
Yes.
yeah, we can connect because now we are mature and we are we can say married lady. Then we can talk anything with the ladies, and we can't say about to children with.
There's an age gap.
You
There's a
is there.
long age
Yeah.
gap between our generation and their generation.
Yeah. So we want to see something or live. They don't want to listen. Oh, mommy, that is your past. Don't say about this. Please say about science. Say about English. Say about this story. This type of idea they have. So now we have this.
So
Yeah.
before learning this language, what were you used to do?
I used
What
to
kind of
crap. I
activities?
used to do crap only.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we can say, yeah, I used to go outside. I used to do kitty party, but now it's very difficult to get time for going outside because, uh, but sometimes we are called, then we have to go. Hmm? So that is our responsibilities. Otherwise, nobody will come at our house. So that is our responsibility. But yeah, and now
That's
I'm
why,
total busy, and I feel
well,
very glad myself. I have something for making my identity. After learning this language, I can join any school as well. I
yes,
now I'm
yes.
uploading video. I can be a good YouTuber as well, and I can store my spoken class. Then I can teach of a spoken class as well. So I can do so many things. Now I'm busy because I don't need to roam here and there. Then I can do something for myself because I also left my 15 and 20 years for my study. And now, where is my degree? We can say my degree is in Almira.
No
So
use.
I can take advantage of these as well after become a fluent speaker. So that is I'm doing that. Actually, English is spoken everywhere, you know very well, and there's so many people wants to learn English. Mostly ladies, 60% ladies, hmm. Because
Yes.
they
And
have.
in India, I think we give uh, so much appreciation only to a person who holds lots of degrees.
Yeah, degree also beneficial because if we go any school for getting English medium school, then English also should be have, and degree also because after showing degree, then we can get this job, and we
Yeah,
can say
you can
about
just take
yeah.
my own. You can take my example. Like I can speak English. There's no doubt I can speak confidently. But just because of I don't hold any degree, so that's
But
why I'm just sitting at home.
you can do your study continue. Actually, now you are not so much aged. You can do in this age as well. Now you
But
have done your
to
inter.
be honest, I don't want to do it because I think it's no use of holding degrees. If I really want to do, then I think I should work on only my communication skill so
Yeah.
that I can be able to teach this language to impart my knowledge to others who are the beginners who really want to elevate their level of speaking
Yeah,
as well. the most important thing how to work on their confidence level, because what
Yes.
matters a lot, that is confidence. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter. There are so many learners, they have been working on the communication skill more than 3 years, 4 years, 5 years.
Mm.
Still, they have enough knowledge. But when it comes to use this knowledge, then they hesitate.
Yeah.
They they stutter a lot just because
Yeah.
of not having a particular confidence. They don't show their boldness. But
Yeah.
I think we should have that confidence to
Yeah.
speak. Even if we make mistakes, then we shouldn't regret about it, because mistakes are part of our life. There's
Yeah.
nothing to be wrong. There's nothing to wrong when a person makes mistakes, because we are born to make mistakes and learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, we can say about celebrity, they also keep speaking while doing mistake, but nobody has audacity for rectify their mistake because they have confidence. But we are firmly, yeah,
Yeah, you are absolutely right. And one thing, just think about our own language, our Hindi. We
yeah.
don't know everything about this language.
Hmm.
There's so many synonyms of Jal, Vayu, okay, and Akash. We don't know each and every word.
Yeah, yeah. And
We
we
don't
can
know
say
the
about,
alternatives.
yeah, we can say about difficult subject, Hindi is more difficult than English.
Yes, and that's why I consider Hindi is more difficult than English.
Yeah, yeah, because when we were in first class and second class, then we used to learn matra and lines. It was very hectic and on
Very,
keeping
very
these
hectic.
type of words. But in English, we always learn vocabs and sentence. And if we want to learn this language for speaking, then we can speak without making a structure of sentence. Because a foreigner, if we are Indian, we always running behind of sentences, grammar rule. But we can say about foreigner, they always speak without making full of grammar.
They don't focus too much only on grammar. Yeah,
Yeah.
they use grammar, but they use only basic grammar. Instead
Basic
of
grammar.
working on advanced grammar, they focus on phrases and slangs,
Yes.
collocation.
Yeah.
They use these things. They don't focus too much on advanced grammar.
Mhm. Now you are a talk of the town, then you want to change your slang as well, accent.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to get an advanced level, but
Now you are
first
in
and
an
foremost,
advanced
what
level.
I really want
You
to
are
do.
advanced teacher, advanced trainer. You can't say कि you are not a trainer. You are, but yeah, slang. We are Indian, then we always respect our accent. Then I don't want to change my accent.
I think I'm also not fond of adapting others' accent, because I'm okay with my own accent.
Yeah.
Why should I focus too much only on accent? But my pronunciation should be best.
Yeah, yeah.
I think this is
Pronunciation.
the thing
Yes.
that we have to focus on. Otherwise, we are Indians, and our Indian accent is better.
Yes, I respect my Indian accent as well as Hindi language as well. Because we are forgetting nowadays, we are forgetting Hindi language. We are not respecting, but yeah, we should respect our national language as well. Hmm?
I think it somewhere it's in our society, or this rule has been made by our society, that we should
Mhm.
give priority as well as importance only to English language learners. A speaker, English language speaker, we always consider that person as a smart person.
Yeah, yeah, you are.
Even if he doesn't have any knowledge about any particular field, like I am here, I don't have any knowledge about any particular field. Okay, but still, just because of I can speak, I can put my thoughts across anyone
Mhm.
confidently. So people that consider me that I'm the smart enough.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
this thing shouldn't be there. There are so many Hindi speakers are over there. There are Hindi poem writers.
Mhm.
They are Hindi writers. We should give respect to them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. We always respect to them, but yeah, English is spoken everywhere. We can say we want to get handsome salary, then if we want to do business with the foreigner, then we have to learn this language. And if we are good speaker, then we can change our personality. Nobody can ask, yeah, how much you have a degree? What did you do in your study? Nobody asks this question because
Nobody asks.
Yeah, and if you wear expensive dress, we can say looking very handsome, then everybody wants to speak in English. You are looking very smart. You don't know English. Oh my God! Then we can feel pulled down. Then
And
that is
same
a
thing
reason.
I experienced actually when I second time went to Mumbai. So I had to join an event. So I was sitting, especially I was at that event, and a lady was sitting next to me.
Yeah.
Earlier, she thought she must be from a village. She was not. Uh, she was not aware about that I'm a YouTuber and I am famous just because of this language. So as soon as I went to the stage and I started speaking, then she admired me a lot. Then she clapped, and he felt proud about me.
Yeah.
So sometimes when someone sees our skills, then they appreciate.
Yes. Yes. I have seen your video. Yes.
Yeah, so when it is needed, so we should go through it. And if I talk about myself, so in my village, at my home, my husband, all my family members, they speak only our mother tongue, that is Bhojpuri. So I do speak this language with them. And whenever it's my need to speak Hindi, then I speak Hindi. And whenever it's my need to speak English, then I speak this language. There's no need. But we shouldn't show our arrogant face to other that, oh
Yeah.
no, no, I'm not going to talk to you because you just speak only Hindi. No, these
Yeah.
things shouldn't be there. We should give respect to each and every
Yeah.
person.
Yeah, I have seen your video. She was saying something in your ear. Don't fear, I'm here. Then please, you were actually trepidating. You were trepidating on the stage. It was first time.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Then she was saying, "Yeah, don't fear. I'm here. I'm here with you." Then I
Yeah.
was listening. It was very fantastic. Yeah. Yeah, we can say you have audacity for speak in front of media, but I don't have audacity for this. I have to get. Yes.
And to be honest, when I got my first opportunity to visit Mumbai, so the moment, as soon as I reached at the venue where the event was being held, I was totally bewildered. Just
Okay.
because of I couldn't imagine. I couldn't have imagined that it would be kind of this kind of event. Because yeah, I am a Joe Stock speaker. I went there and I gave a speech, and there were only 3 or 4 people.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, not more than that. But expressing yourself and talking in front of 10,000 people, it's not an easy task. So first,
Right.
because
Okay.
doctor mentioned only one thing. You just try to ignore this sound. Don't try to listen to this sound.
But you are listening. How can you ignore this?
Just by engrossing yourself into different activities. Like it's like I'm
Okay.
having conversation with you. I'm totally engrossed in this conversation.
Okay.
Okay. So it's kind of ignoring this sound. I'm not focusing on this sound. I'm focusing on what you are speaking.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then we should speak all night, all day. Then you can
Yeah.
interest me. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I have
So
asked you so many questions. Please, ma'am, you can ask any question if you want.
I don't have right now, but yeah, next time we will definitely ask.
Yes. Yeah.
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 Yeah,
Yeah.
so okay, I had a wonderful time with you, and thanks for reaching out to me. Thanks for joining me.
Yeah.
And take care of yourself, take care of your baby and your husband, and we will meet again.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. It is my privilege meeting to you. Yes.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.